For today's video, magre-react tayo mga idol sa song cover video ni Miss Mamie. Sabay-sabay nating panoorin at pakinggan ang kanyang version ng kantang I Love You Goodbye by Celine Dion. Panoorin natin yan. Let's go!
Wish I could be the one who could give you love.
Ganda ng restro ng boses.
The kind of love you really need. Wish I could say to you that I'll always stay with you. But baby, that's not me.
Ano ng vibrato?
You need someone willing to give their heart and soul to you. Promise you forever, baby, that's something I can do. Oh, I could say that I'll be all you need, but that would be a lie. I know I'd only hurt you, I don't only make you cry. I'm not the one
Voice control.
needing. I love you, goodbye. I hope someday you can find some way to understand. I'm only doing this for you.
Ganda ng face.
I don't really
Sarap pakinggan.
wanna go, but deep in my heart I know this is the kindest thing to do. You find someone who will be there that I can never be. They'll give you something better than to love you find in me. Oh, I could say that I'll be all you need, but that would be a crime. I know I'd only hurt you, I don't only make you cry. I'm not the one you needed. I love you, goodbye.
Galing.
Leaving someone when you love someone is the hardest thing to do. When you love someone as much
Dynamic.
as I love you.
Wow.
Oh, I don't wanna leave you. Baby, it tears me up inside, but I never be the one you needed. I love you, goodbye. Baby, it's never gonna work out. I love you, goodbye.
Dynamic. Galing. Galing niyang kumanta. Good job, Miss Mamie. Sana nag-enjoy kayo mga idol. And sa lahat po ng mga taga Bicol, shout out po sa inyong lahat. And God bless. Keep safe po. Ingat at malakas ang bagyo ngayon sa Bicol region. Maraming salamat mga idol. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Mabalos sa panonood. Please don't forget to follow, like, and share Liquor Boys. And please subscribe Liquor Boys Original on YouTube. Kita-kits sa next video. Kabush!